Then the next thing is chat engager. These are people that engage in chat. Like example now, if you have been a crypto trader for a while now, if you go into any group or any particular project group, you see that there are people who type all this, let's fucking go to the moon, this and that. We are going to Miami after this project. There are people who keeps people's vibe, like who raise the people's spirits about that project, who makes people see the positivity in that project. Okay, these are these are chat engagers. These are chat engagers. All they do is just to make people see reasons why they should do whatever they do. Okay, they should do whatever they do. These are chat engagers. So the job of a chat engager is very, very simple. The job of a chat engager is to engage people, make the community lively, keep the community warm, and make sure people invest in that particular project. Okay, that is a chat engager for you. So in a nutshell, a chat engager are people who are actually in charge of creating a community and maintain so creating a communication and maintaining a communication in a particular platform, a particular group, or a particular community. Remember when I'm talking about what community, I'm talking about online community. Okay, they are chat engagers.